I love Italian food and I've tried it all around the world, but is it as authentic as what can be found right in Italy? Let's find the real spirit of Italian cooking. There's nowhere else in the world you're gonna get this quality of balsamic vinegar in your life unless you come here. Splash, it's just flavors. So here we have Veneto. It's made of slow-cooked veal, capers, anchovies. How come the Italians keep doing it so good every time? I wish I could have this every day. For some of the best gelato in town. Delicioso. Now I'm wondering if my pasta that I make tomorrow is gonna be as good as this. We'll find out. We're off to our cooking class to see if I can cook like an Italian chef. We're doing vegetarian dishes, so it's mainly vegetables, eggs, that kind of thing. And
pasta from scratch.
And we're gonna make pasta from scratch. This is my baby pasta! And now we're gonna make it into a man pasta. I'm truly in love with the city. From the authentic cooking and Italian food to its people who are incredibly friendly. Bologna is the place to be. Be there. Just be there.